How do you think my brain is made for?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look a little rough because I just came from the gym and work. I just wanted to film because I have not recorded anything in like 2 weeks, y'all. I'm lying, I haven't filmed in like 4 weeks, for real. I just got my package, my bed just arrived. Ignore that, I have to put my actual curtain up. I just don't have the bar to do that, I have to buy another one. So, in the meantime, my mattress just came. They're gonna watch me cut it open and like deflate it. Ignore this. I was eating my peaches from my peach cobbler and your girl is a little bit messy. But yeah, let's take all this cutesy stuff off because we finna get to work for real. My face, because I really have not been like here for real. Like I just been like living. I was just in the closet fighting for my life because maintenance had me take everything out of my closet because they wanted to get to the heater or something for a filter. I don't know. But if I don't do it, they're gonna charge me $100 for not being able to access my closet. So this morning I took everything out of my closet. Now I'm just in there fighting to put everything back, but not up against the heater because I don't want to cause a hazard. And I don't want to say nothing because I be speaking stuff into existence, but I don't want to cause any type of hazard. So I was just in there for 10 minutes trying to fight for my life. I was stuck and locked in the closet, y'all. But we're gonna get to this. Make sure I don't show my address. But I'm gonna just open this box right quick.
What's wrong with you? How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you.
We gonna get this right. For real. This is the real raw, uncut, no cute shit. Wait. I just worked out. I didn't eat nothing, and I got done working out like 5:36, like 6 o'clock. It's 8. I didn't eat. Ew! It's first of all, it's hair all on it. Let me take a picture because y'all got me messed up. Anyways, because I'm gonna complain. I don't need a refund, but I'm gonna complain to you. For real, because you being nasty. So. Almost broke my mirror. Oh my god, it was too. Yo, this thing is heavy. Okay, anyways.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her.
Should asleep again. Like I already slept, but I did my hair today. Like it was cuter. But let me just do a little quick one too, because I'm gonna put the bed on the floor. I didn't want to order the what is it called, the bed frame, without seeing how high. Like I don't want to know. I need to eat. My brain not working. But I didn't order the bed frame because I wanted to get the bed first so I could see how high it go up, so I can know what size, like what kind of bed frame I need headboard wise. Because there's been times where I don't have a box spring. I don't want a box spring, so I want to see how full this really can get, because pictures can be deceiving. So when I see the fullness of the bed, when it like deflate after 3 days, I think Black Friday shopping ends. I don't really care about the Black Friday. I'm gonna still buy the stuff, like I need it, or I want it rather, but I'm going to just let this deflate for like 2 days, and then I'll see how like low or high it is so that I can order a bed frame, because I don't like that gap where you lean up. Like my back always hurts, so I need that like portion to be full. So I gotta see if I get a low bed frame or a high bed frame. So we want to see what the deal is first. This is low-key not a job for a woman. I've never had to do this. I've had the same bed for like 5 years. Most people keep their bed for like 30 years, but I'm not doing that. Okay, so I'm cutting the bed. I'm not gonna do that. I'm going to be patient because I'm literally gonna cut. Oh, so yeah, you gotta be careful.
Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. But let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all.
Yo, maybe I should go eat first. Yo, I might pass out in here, like. We gonna do it though, because I'm not calling nobody. I'm gonna do it. I'm a strong, independent woman. Black woman that did it, okay? See, it's not that heavy once you take it out the box. Like, I just want to slice it open, but I want to. They ripped this 1, 2, like 3 times.
I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the car, let her feel the sun. I'm broke, see it's about 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we second up wallow and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, look like the new BM. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right or left.
Alright. So, it has to rise up. It's upside fucking down, of course. Oh my god, is it? Yeah, it is. Fuck. Holy fuck. Fuck. Had to let it rise for 3 days, but it's soft. I like it. It had good reviews. So here is the bed. Bye to the old. Look at both beds. They take up the whole room, y'all. I don't think I ever even gave y'all an apartment tour. I just like moved. Like this is nothing new to me. I've been moving since I moved out. Okay. As my last one, my last one was high as hell. And I did that because I had a dog at the time. I don't have my dog anymore. She has a new home, so I just want like as less furniture as possible because stuff like this, projects and lifting, like I'm just a girl. I don't like doing that. Like I like the buying it process and all of that. Not even that. I just like to see it done. I don't like the paying for it. I don't like the moving it. I don't like to pay people to move it. I don't like to do it myself. I'm tired, okay? I just want it to be done, like everything to just be decorated. But after this time, I'm gonna get little minimal stuff to make it feel like home. And then we're done. And then when I move, I'm gonna take it with me this time because it's new, starting fresh, but we're gonna worry about that when the actually, like, the time comes. But for right now, I'm gonna leave it in that plastic because there's no sense in me having it out. I'm gonna get hair all over it. No one making home from work. I will be laying and resting in my bed. But for now, should I take it out? I'm gonna cut the plastic open so it can get some breathable air. But I'm not gonna. Then I have to order a rod so I could take my curtain from out. I'm gonna just buy a new curtain because I want the curtain in the living room. I put one in there because I have a window. And sometimes I just be like walking through, maybe I want to be butt naked, and I have a big ass window right there where people can see. So it's like I put my curtain, my bedroom curtain out there, and I put my silk sheet up here because y'all not gonna watch me get dressed every day. Like, I was already doing that for like 2 weeks straight. And I was like, let me just put up something. Let me be ghetto. Better be modest and ghetto than ghetto. And show my booty. And I'm glad I was able to make some content. Ooh. Let's move on to that's done. I'm gonna go eat some Thanksgiving food. Thanksgiving was pretty chill for me. I ate good, of course, because you know I cooked it. Had a really good conversation with my father. Ooh, very cutesy. Oh, it's not a glass screw. This is why you should read before you order stuff. It's plastic. Baby, I need, well, maybe I don't need. Do you know how much I pay for this? I could, you know what? It's okay because I have other phone cases on the way. But I thought this was like hard, and then I didn't even know it said something on it. I don't like stuff like that. Like, I don't like. Nobody care where you got it from. Like, ew. But I don't even know how to open it. I thought it was glass. I mean, I really need to stop using glass because I always cut myself because I just drop my phone for phone all day long. So step one, you open it like that. Oh wait, I think I see it. Oh, this is like, it reminded me of like when I had a Smiley, an Android Smiley, and you like have to pop it out, which is so weird to me. It comes with a yeah, I bought it because it came with this. I need this, let me drop my phone. I thought this was like a hard screen protector, but I guess it's not. This is hard, but it's not glass, which I wouldn't want it to be because it's not me. If I drop it, it's gonna probably fall out the case. Like, I hate cases like this, yo. All right, y'all. Let me take my screen protector apart. That was gonna be like a hotter pink. Like, I'm kind of sad now. Now I'm gonna go order the rest of my cases because I thought it was gonna be something else. Like, you don't even come with the stuff to clean your phone. Let me talk to Amazon. Cause this is crazy. But yo, thank you for watching my very discombobulated last minute non-thought through video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't always look this crunchy. Your girl just got off of work and came from the gym. I've been very consistent with the gym. I said I was going to do 3 days a week. I've been doing 3 days a week for the past month. So, you know, well, past 2 weeks. I don't know. I only been there for like 8 times. But even when I don't feel like it, I go. And that's the key. I'll like all day in my head, I don't feel like I'm tired. But as soon as like I clock out, I go to the, like, I literally go to work out. I go to the gym and it's like, there's no excuses. Like, it's literally no excuse. Just do it. Like, the gym is not supposed to be when you feel good. And I've been doing it, and I'm gonna continue to get back to it. I'm gonna work my way back up to all of the stuff I was doing before and even better, and I'm gonna stay consistent with it, and I'm gonna stay consistent with my YouTubes. I've been very inconsistent, y'all. Life just be like I be busy, and then when I'm not busy, I'm boring. Like, I don't have nothing to film, so it's always something to film. I'm always on something. I just don't, like, even Thanksgiving I could have filmed me cooking, but I didn't even film, like, I took videos but of the food, not content. So, but this vlog is now about 30 minutes at least, close to. So I'm going to make sure I edit it, upload it by this weekend, no excuses. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.
Why do you think my brain is made for?